I'm an attorney in San Antonio, Texas. I'm a trial lawyer, and I wanted to talk to you today about car wrecks because I have a client that called me the other day, and these are some of the questions that came up. First of all, the car was not drivable that he had, and he was calling me because he was getting the runaround from the insurance company. He had issues with going to work, his kids getting to school, and getting to a doctor because he was hurt from the car wreck. He's not the kind of client that has an extra car. You know, this car, he needed it for him, his kids, and his wife. So he really needed his car fixed, and the accident was not his. This guy called me because he was having trouble dealing with the insurance company, getting back with him, getting his car fixed, and getting to the doctor. Now, you see a lot of commercials on TV by all kinds of insurance companies with cute animals and cute comedy and all. The truth is, all insurance companies are terrible when it comes to taking care of claims and adjusting claims. This includes property and personal injury claims. You know, a lot of people, including this fellow that called me, don't know that there are sometimes two adjusters on that type of case. There's a property damage adjuster which deals with the car and loss of use and rental car, and then there's another adjuster that deals with bodily injury and wrongful death kind of cases. And sometimes they have these two different kinds, and sometimes they actually just have one, and sometimes they farm this out to a third company that does it as an independent adjuster. So you have to know what kind of insurance adjuster you're going to be dealing with on your particular accident. Most of our clients will call us within a few days to maybe 30 days, just depending on how frustrated they get with their car wreck and dealing with the other person's insurance, even though they didn't have anything to do with causing the accident. After your car wreck and after you've already left the scene, you need to make sure that you find out who the insurance company is and that you find out how to contact the insurance adjuster or make a claim. The first thing we need to do is get the claim number. Sometimes that'll be on the insurance card the other driver has. Sometimes somebody will call you out of the blue and tell you that they've been notified by their own driver that there's been a wreck and they want to get information from you. The main thing you need to understand, and every lawyer tells you this, but do not give a recorded statement, because those recorded statements can really kill your case. Not only your car, but your injuries. I had this fella came in that had already given a recorded statement before he came to me. And the problem with giving recorded statements is we're not telling you to lie, we're not telling you to cheat, but what we're telling you is that the insurance companies are more experienced at these kind of cases than you are. And an insurance company will ask you questions designed to hurt your case. That adjuster is not there to owe you anything. Those adjusters are there paid to save money on every claim. That's how they get rich. That's how the insurance companies have so much power. So you need to understand that they're not your friend. So never give a recorded statement until you talk to a lawyer. You know, if there's nobody hurt and there's no property damage, then you can go ahead and give a statement. Or if it's your fault, you can go ahead and give a recorded statement. But other than that, if there's any chance that either you or somebody in your car could have a valid claim for property damage or personal injury, do not give a recorded statement. You can give these people police reports or pictures of your car, the car damage, as well as the injuries you might have. Some people get bruises, some people get burns from the seat belt, some people get a head injury. So you can give them that, but don't give them a recorded statement. If you have to talk to them, talk through a family member or talk to them through your lawyer. That's really the best option, even though, you know, it's me telling you that. Because what happens is the insurance companies, they're not going to do anything. They're just there to delay and deny claims. They'll pay on a few, the small ones that don't really have an impact. But by and by, if you're deserved real justice and real fairness, they're not there to be your friend. They're not there to help you. They're there to delay your claim, to deny your claim if they can, using any excuse. The only thing that you can do if you're being given the runaround by an insurance company is file a lawsuit. You don't have to hire a lawyer to file a lawsuit. You can file a lawsuit in small claims court if you want. You know, though, but you know, filing a lawsuit, get involved in the legal system, you know, you can do that yourself, but you can also pull your own tooth instead of using a dentist. But that's probably not the best idea. The reason is because a lawyer who knows what they're doing in fighting with these insurance companies, for example, I've been doing this for 32 years. I've dealt with every insurance company that, you know, insures cars in Texas. We've had to do all kinds of things to get them to pay attention to our clients, to do our clients right, whether it's on the property damage or getting their bills paid or getting them set up with a rental car. Those are all things that we have to learn through experience, and so that's why sometimes we have to do things that you may not know how to do. Now, the only option that we have many times is just to file suit, and that's not always the best option. We like to try to work things out, but again, some insurance companies have told their employees, do not pay anything until you absolutely have to. Do not pay fair amount unless you absolutely have to. So sometimes we need to get the lawyers to put the pressure on those insurance companies to get them to do the right thing and listen to your case, because they've got so many clients, they have so many claims. The adjusters are overworked. They get in trouble if they overpay on a case. So you really need a lawyer to work for you, to work and maximize your recovery for your losses. Not to take an unfair amount, but to take what's fair. So I'm going to be sharing with you some more problems with auto insurance companies, car wrecks, car accidents, what might help you if you're in this situation. I guess if you're looking at this video, you've probably been in a car wreck recently, trying to figure out, hey, can I handle this myself? Do I really need a lawyer? Can I find a lawyer who's willing to help me? Those are all questions that you may have. You're welcome to call us if you want. We answer questions all the time. We always don't take every case, and we do take some auto cases that we feel have merit, where somebody's really been hurt, been wronged, and they're being taken advantage of by an insurance company. So if you have questions, give us a call. We answer questions like that all the time. Thank you. Have a great weekend, and God bless.